Since SAP Analytics Cloud is likely a new tool for you, it's important for us to come together on the different terms that you will see the most when using SAC. The first term to ensure that we're familiar with is stories. Stories are our reports, and they themselves contain a lot of different pieces and parts. Stories can contain one or many pages or tabs. Within stories, you also have a number of different widgets, including our text boxes, our charts, our tables, our filters or input controls. All of these are different widgets. To touch on a couple of specific types of widgets, charts are visualizations of our data. Tables are tabular representations of our data. We also need to be aware of filters, which are sometimes also called input controls. Now to move on to our next big category of terms, where does the data in our stories come from? Well, that data comes from models. Our data comes from and lives in models. Our stories are just a window into that data, but again, the data itself lives in models. Models are made up of two primary components: measures, which represent numerical data, and dimensions, which represent categorical data. Dimensions can have further attributes assigned to them to provide further information about dimension members, and they can also have hierarchies, which provide a structure. There are a lot of different pieces of functionality within SAP Analytics Cloud, but all of them are going to be looking at data coming from models, and stories are the primary way to represent that data.